Hi, this is LaShonda Henry here, and you're watching the WebTech Girl, GURL.com video series. Today I want to talk about how and why you should create your own social network. Now, I'm sure you already know this, but again, my name is LaShonda Henry. I'm a Columbia University grad, black entrepreneur, and full time work at home mom. I've been online for almost 10 years now, and I'm best known for building the social network Black Business Women Online. 100% of my income comes from online marketing. So that's why I love showing other women entrepreneurs how to market and build their businesses online. So today I want to talk about why you should create your own social network. There are more reasons than one, but here are the most important ones. Number one, you can attract your target market. So, for example, if your business is books, you can create a social network just for authors, just for publishers, just for people who are doing self publishing. Really, just honing in on who your target market is and creating a really great informational, entertaining, I should call it edutainment space because it's both educational and informational and entertaining. Those are really the things and reasons why people come to social networks. So if you can really build that into a great space, you've got something good. Number two, really important here. You want to be able to meet potential buyers and business associates in your industry without spending a ton of money on advertising. Social networking is I should say, the best way to do that. And so, if you've heard me talk before, I'm always telling you about marketing on social media spaces like MySpace and Facebook and Twitter. But you can really take it to the next level when you create your own space specific for your particular target audience. So number two on this list is the fact that when you create your own social network, you get to meet potential buyers and business associates when you build a space specific to your target. Number three, really important. When you have your own social network, you're essentially in doing a couple of things. You're increasing your visibility online, you're increasing your credibility, and you're ultimately building your buzz. What I mean by that is this. When people come to my social network, Black Business Women Online, I'm automatically the expert. I'm the expert on women entrepreneurships of color, how you start your business online, how you use social networks, how you generate traffic. And so when you create an social network in your industry, because you're the founder and creator, by default you're the expert. That builds your credentials, that boosts your visibility, and it definitely builds your buzz online, because of course word of mouth marketing is the best marketing you can get. So when people sign up to your social network and they start to tell their friends and their family and their coworkers, etc., that builds your buzz. Now, here's the number one reason why creating your own social network is a great idea. You get to market your business for free to a list that's easier to build from social networking than it is to create an e-zine or a newsletter. So if you've got an e-zine or you've got a newsletter and it's pretty much kind of building up dust because you hardly send it out, it's so hard for you to get traffic to it, for you to get people to actually sign up. When you build your own social network, it's viral. It's easy for people to sign up. They want to sign up because today, a third of the people who come online are social networking. They're on YouTube, they're on MySpace, they're on Facebook. So you've got to take advantage of that trend by creating your own space to a specific audience so you can really build your buzz and work the trend. Now, I want to talk about three of the social networks that I've created really quickly, just to give you a sense of how I know so much about this stuff. My first social network was Black Businesswomen Online, and you can find that sisterpreneurs.ning.com. I've got the blackmomsclub.com web space and Black Writers Connect. As you can tell by the names, a lot of my websites are targeted towards online viewers of color, specifically women, entrepreneurs, writers, moms. Why? Because that's who I am. I'm a black businesswoman, I'm a writer, and I'm a mom. So creating social spaces that are relevant to you, of things that you're interested in, that's really a great space to start. Now, of course, if you're an entrepreneur, you want to focus on your particular business industry, but then you can also create lighter spaces as well. So it's really up to you what your motivation is for creating a social network. My key here in this particular video is really gearing towards the entrepreneurs out there looking for free and no cost ways to drive traffic to their space. So ultimately, a social network is one of the best ways that you can do that. I generate leads, sales, customers, and loyal fans all day, every day for free just from my social networks. They invite their friends, they tell everybody. It's just very viral. It's great, it's free, and I use Ning.com. Now, Ning is basically a social networking platform, a really great space where you can create your own social network online, just like a MySpace or a Facebook or a Twitter. And you don't have to be technical, you don't have to be an HTML whiz to do this stuff. It's really user friendly. Top three reasons I love Ning: of course, one, it's free to set up, it's easy to set up, and three, it's optimized for search engines. So if your website sucks as far as being visible on search engines, Ning is definitely the way to go. If you go to Ning.com right now, or I should say, if you go to Google right now and type in Black Businesswomen Online, my website is the first thing to come up. A part of that is because I'm great at what I do as far as search engine optimization, but a lot of that goes to Ning because they've got a really great SEO friendly, optimized space so that when you create your social networks on Ning, they get indexed into the Google search engine fairly quickly. Now, creating a Ning website is like creating your own MySpace or Facebook page. Again, it's free traffic and you can do so much with that. You can sell ad space, you can promote your business, and so much more. So, are you ready to create your own Ningalicious network? If you are, then I would love it, love it, love it, love it, love it if you took my e-course on how to create your own network. When you sign up for my in-course, one of the wonderful things about it is digital, so you get instant access to my 10 plus video trainings on how you start your network, how do you drive traffic to your network, how you get people on your network to be active, all the things that I did to build my space. And by the way, my first network, BBWO, is close to 10,000 members. So I can really show you how to create a great interactive network for little to no cost. Also, when you sign up for this particular e-course, you get my ebook, How to Create Your Own Ningalicious Network. And I wanted to make sure that I added the videos and the ebook so you can, one, sit down and read it cover to cover. But of course, if you don't got the time to sit down and read the whole thing, you can watch the videos. Now, in the videos, I talk about a lot of things, but the most important stuff, my secrets to making money via using your social network. How do you make money from a social network? How do you find customers online? And really how you build your list, that big asset that really builds your business, your list. How do you build your list by using social networks? These are a couple of the questions that I answer when you sign up for my e-course. Now, if you're interested in that, definitely go to my website, mynetwork.webtechgirl.com, and that's GURL.com. I really, really hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you want to get all my videos on ways to drive traffic to your website, definitely go to my website, traffic.socialmediasisters.com. You can watch all my videos on how to find customers, how to use social media marketing to build your business, and how to create your own social networks online. Hope you enjoyed this video. More to come. Take care.